Oh, okay.
And these come in like this. Push it in tight. And the tape's on there just to keep anything from slipping underneath the magnet. These are used hinge mags that have been cleaned. They're reusable. You gotta come over here. So this way that the barrel doesn't get any paint on it. So that way you still have free function of the door. Usually have to drag a knife by the hinge to make sure it's clean. And that saves time pulling hinges. That's it. Ready to go. The bottom gets a little overspray, but it's not noticeable. Easy to clean. Done.